Hey everyone, Jon Lahey here from the Fine Living Group, one of the top real estate teams in the DC area. With almost 2 decades of experience and having sold close to $1 billion in real estate, I've seen a lot of ups and downs in the market. Today, I want to share with you some tips that have helped me find more business during slow markets. Stay till the end. I'm going to share with you one simple thing that can help you go from selling 1 home a month to 3 or 4 homes every single month. Let's start with what my morning routine looks like. As a successful real estate agent, my morning routine is key to starting my day off on the right foot. One thing I do every morning is take some time to meditate and focus on my goals for the day. This helps me stay centered and focused throughout the day. Another important part of my morning routine is reviewing my schedule and prioritizing tasks based on their importance. This helps me make sure that I'm spending my time on tasks that will help me move closer toward achieving my goals. I also like to take care of my personal tasks first thing in the morning so that they don't distract me later in the day. On a side note, I am a believer of intermittent fasting, so instead of spending time eating in the morning, I will spend it with my kids before they head off to school. I also find that this helps keep me energized throughout the day. Now let's discuss networking. I personally do not like the word networking, but I do love meeting people and I love getting to know people. Networking, or what I prefer to think of as relationship building, has been essential to building my business as a real estate agent. One strategy that has worked well for me is attending local events and getting involved with organizations that align with my values. This not only helps me build relationships with potential clients, but also gives me an opportunity to give back to the community. Remember, networking isn't just about meeting people, it's about building relationships. That's why it's important to follow up after every interaction with a personal note or email thanking them for their time. Another effective networking strategy is leveraging social media platforms like Instagram and Facebook. By sharing content that resonates with potential clients, I'm able to establish myself as an expert in the industry and attract new business. If you want to attract more first-time homebuyers, your social media should include stories of how you've helped first-time homebuyers find a home, testimonials, pictures, social proof. These things are very powerful. And if you're thinking to yourself that you don't want to work with buyers, that you want to become a listing agent, well, just do the same thing, but instead of telling stories and posting photos of buyers, do it with sellers. Every day I look for opportunities to tell stories. There are stories everywhere and they are there for you to capture and tell. Now let's talk about marketing and marketing techniques. Marketing is another crucial aspect of finding more business as a realtor. One technique that has worked well for me is targeted email campaigns. By segmenting my contact list based on factors like location, buying history, and creating personalized messages that resonates with each group. Social media advertising has also been a game changer for our team. We use platforms like Instagram, YouTube, and Facebook to showcase our listings and reach a wider audience. Now let's talk about what an effective marketing is and isn't. It isn't about promoting your services. It's about providing value to your audience. That's why we also create educational content such as blog posts and videos that provide valuable insights into the buying or selling process. If you want to get an idea of what my daily content looks like, I included my link tree down below and on the description so you can get some ideas there. It's not perfect, but it works. Comment below if you have any questions on why or what or how. All right, next tip, client management. Managing client relationships is crucial when it comes to building trust and generating referrals. One thing we always do is communicate regularly throughout the buying or selling process so clients are always informed about what's happening. We also go above and beyond by providing additional support, such as connecting them with reputable contractors or providing guidance on home decor decisions. But perhaps most importantly, we listen carefully to our clients' needs and concerns so that we can tailor our approach accordingly. So now you have clients, you've ratified the contract, it's time for closing deals. This part is as important as anything else. This is where you earn your commission and your future referrals. If you do this right, you will end up with a lifelong raving fan client who will refer you to everyone that they know. If you don't do it right, then it's just another transaction. Closing deals successfully requires a combination of negotiation skills, attention to details, and efficiency when handling paperwork. One tip I have is always being prepared before entering into negotiations by doing thorough research on market trends and property values. When it comes time to handle paperwork, having systems in place can save you time and headaches down the line. For example, we use digital signature software, which allows us to sign documents electronically without having to meet in person or exchange physical copies of documents. Another important aspect of closing deals successfully is staying organized throughout the whole process so nothing falls through the cracks. Here's the secret to going from 1 or 2 homes each month to being able to sell 3 to 5 homes every single month. Hire an admin assistant or transaction coordinator. That should be your first hire. And honestly, the one secret to be able to grow and service even more clients. So there you have it. Some tips from my experience as a successful real estate agent. More business during a slow market takes effort,